Hello everyone, my name is Valerie, and today I'm going to teach you how to use a 2-gallon manual pump sprayer by DeWalt, or you could use any size manual pump sprayer that you want to use. But the one today that I'm going to tell you about is the 2-gallon DeWalt manual pump sprayer. And this sprayer will come in handy for different situations. This sprayer pump will be handy for those who will go on the beach and they need some water to clean themselves off, to take a quick shower, or someone going on a camping trip and they need to take a shower. They'll be able to use this manual pump to take a quick shower and refresh themselves. And there's other uses for this pump also. You can water your garden, or you can wash your kids' hands when they're at the park playing. It's many uses that we can find for this manual pump, and I'm going to teach you how to use it. It's very simple. This pump cost me $39.97, and the nozzle that you need to hook on is any kind of hose nozzle. The hose nozzle that I bought was $13.98 at Home Depot. I got both of these products. But you could buy any type of manual pump that you want, any size, any brand, and you could buy any size or brand hose adapter that you need or want. And I'm going to show you how to use it. And this is the receipt from the Home Depot to let you know I really paid that amount of money for it. And this is the brand of DeWalt manual pump that I brought in case you want to buy it. Okay, I'm going to show you how to use it as a shower. It's pretty simple. The DeWalt comes with everything that you need. You don't have to buy anything else but the manual pump and the hose spray. When you get this comes in the box like this. All you have to do is screw this on. It comes with its own hose, and it has its own handpiece. And I took the piece for the garden hose off because we don't need that. And you just screw on the hose to it. You unscrew the pump so you can put the water in. Put water into it. Fill it up. I halfway filled it up so that we would save time. I filled it up before I did the video so that we would save time. Now you take the pump, put it back in, screw it on tightly. And then you have to pump pressure into the pump. You have to pump pressure into the bottle. The more pressure you put, the better the flow of the water. And that's it. So there you go. You got your shower water. You can take a nice shower with that anywhere. Get all the water all over you and take a nice shower anywhere you go. All you have to do is fill this up, put it in the back of your truck or your car, or fill it up, put it in your van, fill it up or put it in whatever vehicle you're going to use. And there you go, you got shower water. And as the pressure goes down, you have to pump again, get some more pressure. And continue your shower. There you go. There's your portable shower. And when you're done, let out the air pressure right here. And empty your bottle if there's any water left. And that's how you create a portable shower for 60 bucks. But if you find any of this equipment cheaper, it's good. But for me, I wanted a bigger bottle. The bigger the bottle, the more water you have. And this easily fits inside any vehicle. And that's it. And I hope this helped you. Thank you for listening.